everyone and Happy New Year. This is my first Made to Surprise release of 2026 and it's a really fun kinetic one. This is called Swivel See. It's a style card that some of you may have seen before. The mechanism, you can find it in pop-up books, you've probably seen it in card shops, and other companies have brought this style out as well, but it was something I didn't have in the Made to Surprise range and it's perfect, it should be. So here we have it. Now I have gone big. This is for 7x7 and bigger because I wanted it for mini albums. It can go on gift bags, gift boxes, you know, any kind of 3D makes that you might have. But by going bigger, it means that you've got a bigger aperture and we can then create more with it. Plus it works with my 3D stand and display, my diorama, and many other elements in the Made to Surprise range as well, which I'll be experimenting with on those mix and match Fridays that I do. So we've got paper pad, we've got new big words, which I know lots of you are looking forward to, 3 new stamp and die sets, but that coordinate with the main mechanism, but they also work on their own. And again, they're the frames that you can use with other things within the range. So we'll start off with the main die itself. So this is the Swivel See. So you get 7 dies. Like I said, these are big, heavy dies. You're getting, you know, a lot in this. So you're going to need your large die machine to cut all of these as well, because again, they're wider than your standard size. On the packaging, when you get yours, it will say 6x6, but we have made sure that everything on the website is 7x7. I'm telling you it's 7x7. I've put a little marker over mine there as well. It was just a mix up at the factory and they just didn't get it changed. But all of the listing details, the measurements and everything are all correct, so nobody will miss that. This is a nice example, just showing you how it works. I'll show you the rest of the samples in a minute. You just pull the tab there. It's really easy for the person to know what to do, and it reveals whatever it may be. So in this case, lovely picture of the happy couple there, and then this lovely back end of a card which you can use for someone who's just passed their test. Could be a retirement card or just married, which I've got here. It's got lots of dimension. You don't have to have it as dimensional as this. There are brads inside of it, so obviously that adds a little bit of bulk, so you might have to pay a little bit extra for the postage. I know obviously it's a large card anyway, but if you're hand delivering then that doesn't matter. And like I said, it's for mini albums as well, on the front of a scrapbook layout. There's a lot more you can do with it. The papers work with obviously with this collection, but the paper pads usually I just like to have them in to work with anything. So this one here, I was lacking just some really nice bright colours, so here they are. They're lovely, and they are your retro patterns. So you've got 8 designs there and 8 colours, and they're just lovely, really nice. You'll see them on some of the samples, but it's just going to be nice. They're just, you know, pretty easy. They're going to work male and female, children, and many, you know, occasions. You could use that as a background on a sympathy card. You know, they're going to work on birthday cards, and even some of these on Christmas cards. You know, the pinks, if you do like a pink Christmas, it's going to make a nice background. The blues, like wintry, you know, kind of scenes and stuff. And then you've got your spring colours. They literally will work all year round. So I'm really pleased to have those ones. 32 sheets in that one. It's 8x8. It's 190 GSM, which is my standard weight and size that I do with my papers. Then the big sentiments. So they're finally here. You've been waiting for this set. So this is the third. Is it the 3rd or the 4th set now? I've got the 4th or 5th set as well, and we've got another one on top of that. I think this is the 4th, I'm going to say. So you've got Smile, Valentine, but you've also got then to have Valentine's if you want it. You've got New, Memories, Party, Couple, Friend, and you can have Friends, Baby, and Wedding. And then you've got all of the words that will coordinate, and these will obviously coordinate with the other big ones as well. So if you want to have, you know, if you want to have Happy Valentine's Day, you'll be able to do that if you've got all of the sets. I'll show you another sample here with the Valentine, My Valentine. It's just such a lovely big die, and it's just lovely to use. So again, I'll show you this one here. So this is using one of the frames, which you'll see in a moment. Just us two, and this is my wonderful sausage dog. He's very cute, absolutely adorable. So they're just lovely to make, nice keepsake cards. Maybe you just want to make them for yourself, have them in your craft room. But I think they're really nice, really fun to do. Pop that one back there. So onto the frame. So that there is using this one here, which is Love, Love, Love. And you can see the car. Now I've got separate tutorials showing you how to put the car and the camera together. And then I've got one tutorial showing you how to put the mechanism together. Because once you know how to do the mechanism, the toppers and stuff are dead easy to do. So all the dies are just the plain turquoise, and then the black images, they're stamped images. So you've got the little cupid, you've got a lobster, you are my lobster, you've got a cake there, you've got some strawberries, cherries, the lips, the eye, the ladybird, and the envelope with the hearts coming out. And then the sentiments are really sweet. I only have eyes for you, sent with birthday kisses, I love you, moi, happy Valentine's Day. And then these ones, congratulations, just us two, good luck, and just married, all fit within the number plate area. I think the My True Love does as well, actually. But if you know, any little small stamps are going to fit in there perfectly. And then all of these hearts layer on top of these ones. And then you've got additional hearts as well. There's loads in this, 28 dies, 20 stamps. They're always bumper packs. Then you've got your birthday fun. So this has got 20 dies, 17 stamps. You've got your leaves. These ones are just your simple dies. Then you've got your big dies here, and they've got the stitch detail. And then these are your stamped images here. So you've got some nice flowers, you've got cupcakes, you've got all the leaves here and the foliage. These are some little pastries. And then the sentiments, it's a special celebration, a birthday to remember. You're the old one now. Don't worry, I won't mention your age, and have the best day. And then we've got capturing moments. I love this one. Because of the way it looks like a camera lens. I had to have a camera in this one. So this is a lovely big die. You can see how large it is there. This is one that I've used. This is me and my friends, so the best friends. You can see, you know, you might just want to have beautiful friend, but you can see how then you can just add the ends there to say best friends, and then the happy memories. But all of the detail there on the camera and the papers, you can see how I've incorporated those as well. And this one has got happy days, 2, 3, 1, smile, and then remember this. Then you've got holiday, you've got day, because you can have remember this day if you wanted to, vacation, moment, say cheese, happy memories, time, and holiday. So you can have vacation time, and you can also mix them with the big words as well. And you've got the leaves, you've got the hibiscus flower, you've got the palm tree, the umbrella, the earth, more flowers, cocktail, suitcase, ice cream, some more leaves, and the little and the smaller flower there as well. So a couple more samples. So this is the one that I actually share in the tutorial. And you just pull this down and it will reveal that lovely cake. This is from an older set. I just wanted something to fill that bigger space, but the party time I think looks great. And just, I mean, I always go really dimensional with my cards. A birthday to remember, and then you can see how that's all going to fit. I mean, you could put that one in a box envelope, but if it didn't have all the foam that I've used, that would go in a normal envelope still. This one here shows those stamps in the set really nicely. You can see the little remember this, smile, and then there is me and Mum when we were on our cruise with that sunset behind us and our evening drink. I really enjoyed that evening, so I thought it'd be nice to have in this photo. This is just a keepsake for me. I'm just going to keep this up in my craft room, but you can imagine that in a memory album. You know, if you do any kind of daily journaling, you can have this. It's just a really lovely card. And then I've got obviously that one that I shared with you, and the one with Monty. And then this one here, which is beautiful memories, quite plain. This one is just a nice reminder of my nan and granddad. My nan's favourite colour was red. And then this one here is the two of them at Battersea Park many, many years ago before they were even married. It's just such a lovely picture. So I thought it would be nice to have in here. And what I might end up doing is take it off the back card eventually and then maybe put it into little albums myself, or maybe on the front of a scrapbook layout or something. So I'm going to be doing 3 more demos today, so there will be more inspiration, and I've got so many ideas to use this on my Friday mix and matches as well. So lots of inspiration. I'm actually going to be doing one of the demos using the diorama set, just so you can see how nicely it works with that. But like I said, my 3D stand and display is going to look fab with that as well. So all of this product is available now on Craft World. I will be live today at 10 AM over on my Muckers Assemble YouTube channel. So if you want to watch me do those 3 demos, then do head over. Even if you're not interested in buying any of the collection, then just maybe come along and have a chat and just watch it for some inspiration. It's always nice over there, and we do have a good laugh. There is a bundle offer on this as well, so check out that if you're interested. Like I said, all that information is over on Craft World. And I will have a link to this tutorial below this video when that goes live. And I'll also have, and that will go into a playlist as well, so all the other future cards that I do will go into there. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.